Do it yourself. Drywall, lift hack, one man, one genocide young. Watch as I take ceiling drywall insulation to the next level with a homemade drywall lift. No need for expensive equipment, just smart building and determination. This video will walk you through my full setup, tips to save your back, and how to install 4x8 ceiling drywall panel by yourself. Perfect for solo renovators and anyone on a budget. Tool use, step-by-step lift setup, real insulation footage, cost saving tip. Do remember to like, comment and subscribe for more DIY building hacks and home improvement update. By now you get the full idea of what I am doing. I use the 2x4s to make a drywall lift. Simple and easy. I did it so you can. With proper planning and preparation, you can also create and use this to help you do your drywall installation all by yourself. One man show. If you think this video is educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment and I will try to answer.